think that I'm a freak when I'm talking to myself, but it's like I was too weak to be someone else. You could think that I'm a creep when I'm singing all alone, but it's like I couldn't see straight on my own. When I fall, I start again, and when I feel like I'm just dead, and when I call, it comes again, and now I see it's in my head. Yeah, there's something that says.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Revelation Studios Gaming, and today we're going to be starting a tutorial series on development for FiveM servers. Today's tutorial is going to be showing you guys how to take your vehicle shops and turn them into an actual job. So, what you want to do first is open up your resource folder, QB Core, QB Vehicle Shop Config. We're going to use the PDM, which is the Premium Deluxe Motorsport. And how we're going to do that is fairly simple. You're going to find your dealership and look for the word type. By default, it'll say free use. You want to change it to managed. The reason being changing it to managed means it needs a particular job in order for players to have access to it. So that means that this vehicle shop will need to be ran by somebody. So if somebody wanted to run the PDM, they'd have to be type managed, and the job would have to be changed to PDM. What that means is that a person will have to actually be on the actual dealership lot to sell vehicles to other players. That's the goal. But some people were asking on the FiveM forums on how to convert the PDM to a job. This is the goal for today. We're going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So you want to change your type from free use to managed. Scroll down, look for the line that has the word job. Change it from none to PDM. From there, you want to go to your QB Core folder, QB Core shared jobs.lua, and we're going to add PDM as a job. You want to change this to PDM. The label can be whatever you want. It could be capital PDM, or it could be Premium Deluxe Motorsport. Default duty would be true, off duty would be false. But here's the kicker. You'd need a boss menu, which I'll show you guys how to set that up for all that good stuff so you could hire people. We'll get to that in a minute. And make sure that everything matches all the other stuff. You make sure you hit Control S on the config and the jobs to make sure that everything is all well and good here. Move that comma there, it doesn't need to be there. And then you restart your server. And once that restarts, you're going to go to your main desktop and open up your FiveM server. So we're going to look here and make sure everything's all well and good. There was an error at the top, ignore that. That has totally nothing to do with the tutorial at all. Don't mind my clicking of the phone there. Sometimes it takes a minute for the clothing packs to unwind, because there's a whole lot of them. It should be relatively quick unless your server has multiple resources, which in my case I have multiple resources in there. So sometimes right around this point is where it kind of gets stuck for like a few seconds, and then it kind of kicks back in. If this video is helping you guys out, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on other content just like this. Getting towards the end of the loading here, because when I see this job right here, it usually means it's coming to the end of the loading process. And then we'll hop into the server and see if what we did actually worked. And if it did, we'll know right off the spot. And then, as a bonus, I'll show you guys how to set up the boss menu within the PDM to get you guys going. And that's usually the sign that we're all set to go. We're going to open up our dev server here. And for you guys who don't know, this is our Golden State Paradise server. If you guys want to check that out, check out the link in the description to come check us out. The link to our Discord is in the description. Come hang out with our awesome community. Looking for civilians, law enforcement, fire EMS, and a bunch of other cool stuff. And have this little readme thing when you're coming in, so you guys can kind of get a preview. I gotta fix the staff tabs and all that stuff. They're all connected, but the pictures are all the same. You can watch the fun video in the background. Time lapse. Boom. I'll pull out a little dev guy. And we're going to go to Legion Square, because it's closest to PDM. We'll no clip over there. There's our Premium Deluxe Motorsport. Ammunition's going off all weird. So now, do /set job. ID number would be 1. PDM, grade 4. And if you look at the notification system, Premium Deluxe Motorsport Manager. So, our boss menu we could put right here. Like I said, as an added bonus, I'll show you guys how to set that up. So, you can actually do that while the server is on. So what we're going to do is, if you don't already have it, I'm going to put it in the link in the description. You're going to want QB management. So we're going to go toggle over to our QB management folder, which I have in add-ons. And you want client config. You're going to need a couple things to do this. So, we're going to copy the last line, which was, in my case, it's Vanilla Unicorn. For your case, it would be the very last one in this list. Space, Control V. Change the name and the coordinates, PDM. So how you get your coordinates is fairly simple. It's a vector 3. So we're going to go back in game, do /vector 3. And at the top, it'll tell you your coordinates have been copied to the clipboard. Go up to this blue bracket, not the comma, the blue bracket, Control V, wham. That part's done. So now we do the same thing with this. Don't worry about the heading, min, z, max z, all that stuff. It doesn't matter. They could all look the same. It really makes no difference. So you just take this, you copy it, bring it down, change that from vanilla to PDM, and then you're going to go right back to here where it says vector 3, up to the blue comma, copy it, Copy this line up to that yellow bracket. Wham. Everything else can stay the same. It makes no difference. And all you're going to do now is save it. You go up to F8. I always like to refresh just to keep things fresh. Restart QB management. And voila. Right there should pop up where it says E for boss management. Premium Deluxe Motorsport. From there you can manage your employees, hire new ones, open up storage access. So in this case, if you wanted to put a business license in here, once you got your business license to run, you could purchase a business license from City Hall, put it in there. Outfits, so you won't really need this because if you wanted to, you can have like a little person right there for your clothing menu. We use Millennium Appearance, so you could put a Millennium Appearance person in the corner to change clothing. And then you got money management, so all of like the money you have for your business you could deposit or withdraw from. So you could withdraw funds from the day's work, or you could deposit business funds to use for more product. And just like that, guys, you turned a dealership into a job. That is how you turn PDM into a job. Or in other words, that's how you turn a car dealership into a fully functional job. I really hope this vehicle shop tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribing to the channel, ring in that notification bell, stay notified. Of upcoming content just like that. But if this was helpful for you guys, awesome. Our next tutorial will be coming up in the next day or so keep an eye out for that. But until then, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, be kind to one another, and we'll see you all in the next video. Take care, guys.